learned pretty fast out there that Mars does not care how big your settlement looks from orbit. It cares about seals. It cares about filters. It cares about the one exposed connector you forgot to clean before the dust got inside it.
That morning, the ship was already coming down. Water recovery cores, membrane cartridges, greenhouse rolls, pressure seal kits, thermal spares. Not supplies. Next season.
Landing quiet is now active settlement-wide. Maintain channel discipline. Public loads reduced to priority schedule. Cargo operations retain grid preference.
Corridor 3B is still disagreeing with pad health.
Lander has onboard guidance. It can still hold the approach.
Near inhabited infrastructure, it needs local confirmation before terminal. We lose that, it diverts.
Solar input down another 9%. Storage is holding. Non-essential interior heat is reduced. Confirm greenhouse accepts load reduction. We need that cargo.
Where's Hale?
You always keep the ugly wrench.
Ugly wrench opens ugly panels.
Left index is stiff.
It was stiff yesterday.
Yesterday, nothing was falling out of the sky.
I wasn't the best man in the settlement. I wasn't the bravest. I was the guy who would open Node 3B 6 times in 3 years, because Dust liked it better than the other nodes.
Hale, control. Node 3B fault is active beacon mismatch, fiducial occlusion, and pad relay dropout. We need confidence sufficient, not clean.
Copy. Sufficient, not pretty.
Field authority remains inside procedure. No manual landing intervention. Restore corridor confirmation only.
That was never on my list.
Visibility 20 meters. Guideline is good to marker 6.
Lander altitude. High descent. Corridor confidence still below terminal rule.
Node mast in sight. The thing people imagine saving a settlement is always huge. A reactor, a dome, a ship. That day, it was a service panel that did not want to open.
You have 12 minutes to decision threshold.
Plenty of time if Mars gets bored.
Seeing fiducial return. Not enough for corridor.
Connector next.
Hale, your left glove is showing contamination.
Outer layer?
Outer layer. Mobility warning only. No pressure loss.
Field, we show your suit warning. You are cleared to pause and reassess.
There is a kind of fear that makes you move faster. Mars punishes that kind. So I made myself move slower.
Talk me through it.
Pressure off the latch. Quarter twist.
Wait for the relay blink. Then seat until the click.
You can still feel the click?
No, but I know where it lives.
Lander is entering terminal decision window. Divert logic arms in 60 seconds if corridor stays below rule. Come on.
That's enough glove.
Almost.
Hale.
I heard you. Say it clean.
Local corridor is sufficient.
Commit terminal.
Terminal committed.
It did not come down clean. Nothing important ever does.
Cargo integrity is acceptable.
End landing quiet by sector. Keep cargo priority. Water recovery receives first routing.
Control, we have a cascading load imbalance across 7 through 9. Backup heat is active. Thermal reserve is 41 minutes and falling.
Copy. Hold cargo routing. Bring grid stabilization to priority 1.
You were one more twist from losing that glove for the season.
Better than losing the filters.
Ugly wrench still ugly?
Ugly wrench is promoted.
People asked later if that was the day we beat Mars. No. That was the day Mars let us keep the schedule. One landing, one hard touchdown, one working day of civilization. And before the dust had settled on the cargo bay, the grid was already asking for another one.